Hello everybody, Adam Haugen, Director of Golf here at Grandview Lodge. Today we are on hole number 1 of the woods, kind of going over some of the details we did on the renovation project here. Some good news actually, we're going to be opening the woods a lot sooner than we thought. Construction is going very well and they're a little ahead of schedule, so look forward for that information. But kind of on hole number 1 of the woods here, on the outside of the dog leg, there used to be 2 bunkers. We've added a 3rd one to help turn the hole a little bit more, and it really opens you up into this really cool shot into the green. Where on the left side of the green there used to be a bunker. We moved that out and made it more of a cross bunker about 40 yards from the green. And on the right side of the green we added or reshaped the bunker that was currently there and kind of moved it tighter to the green. Also up the right side into the green we removed a few trees, kind of opening up some more shots there and helping the turf and air circulation there to help the turf really thrive there. So look forward to a lot more of these changes coming to you and more of these videos soon to come.